Mama intro sanye obe edit squeeze back no ewo vMix GT title design mu. Obi vMix na hwe down ha sei. Obehu sa lines miensen ewo ha ewo overlay ne nchen ha sei. Click so na click GT title designer. Se biesen ya click file we say so. Na click open. Baby kwa we save streaming assets na to no. Be kire template na wo download ye no. Baby kwa we save ato no direct ne ko ebia wo downloads anase e wo document o de ato desktop baby o de tool bia no direct ne ko na ekobi ubia say ne beye na wako overlays no ahwehwe squeeze back obe click so back on anase obe double click so click so back on na wa click on open na abeda wo GT title designer ni mo no test na kasankasa mo no click so Iti nya opese wosesa ewo ho bia na bia opese wo de ade foforo ene hye ho double click na nya opese wo de hye ho no fa hye ho maybe prophetic hour se wo tro bribi na sade na wo tro no ayira se na media na ayira na se wo hu sade we say drag it forward se wo drag ya bon se be pie e dia ba alright opese position here so na drag it to be opese wo de to obetwin so you see keyboard arrow keys no left right up down no now they are adjusting to be a pese ekoda when you kwan befa so the best san enkayefo nyina ti se bia number ya ha sei obese o sesa which means some person o chro ade foforo ho a o de chro double click so keke prophetic maybe with maybe prof ob say on person arrangement na tiempo na wa obetimi ayewo arrangement o chro bibia na wa drag akoto bibia pese eda to say be saying na pese beda pese odi we beto ha nya pese we bia no just drag it and then drop it right there e bia test na e wa ha say dida no o pese wankasa wo test ebe mu a nya bia ne say click abcd so o click so a na wa drag it okay drag fa be pese de fe bia e be say no double click so na nya o pese wo tro no wa tro e wo ho o pese some font size na aha say click so na ebe click aha o click ha say ya no asesa to emu bia o pe bia okay dia peno no asesa medi ka asesa test no era obe stretch ya de we mu obe stretch ni say na aba so person asesa font size and so sorry font type na font type no obe click ha say o click ha say ya na type a open no na wa select any type bia o pe bia okay na asesa eti me pese me you see we me delete we entirely but all the mame endum neni no for now na me ma we name bra down kakra me shift we name bra down kakra like this na me drag it rasha no embra ha say maybe we bra down kakra nka ho anything bia na one santi ase no o community ho na aya na comment o community nim me san so achire ma chire ho no ati ase ye pa alright it is up so color ne so a click ya de ko dia person so ne color no o click so a na wako ha color ni ko color na wasasa we say yamanya white yamanya white so white ni na wa click so like this enti sa won pe we mu a utimi delete ni nyina free ho me pese me delete ni nyina at go enti me click so ba ho a na ma click control me keyboard ni so me dia click ya de ko de ni so na ma san click so we so bi na afi metimi eye free ho ni nyina e free ho na me ntimi nya kwan fa Rasha no embra okay me drag embra down kakra yeah na ma we so embra down kakra background no opese osesa eno so betumi asesa e simple click so keke o click so a na wako colors color ko opese use no color ben crown be match we say me fa color way na me hwe I say it's not nice na okay me fa we so is not that nice me try we so hwe be a way a little okay I had any so person in the same color the sun it no me click or so na me call colors na me call for that same color na aye bribi say okay enti sa image ya wa ha say me the pastor Chris na ebeto had ye example no enti wo so sa image no too any image bia ope anasa nye image mpo na person de hye ho a say tester fa test ne kwato ho so person de image to ho so a image bia person de to ho bia no fa beto ho ekwan be fa so de image ne be ba ne say obe click we so image we o click so a ebe redirect to computer nim na be a o image ne wo no wakofa na wo de aba to ho. Okay, ma download the image bi ma yen fan to ho. So this image wa resize no to send ya wope. But hwade image we say e wo background. On say background white she image we ho. Ti se meka se me de betum a e bia na amache ne me pese me ye no. Okay, e bia na amache de pese me ye no. Enti no mekwa akwasesa background no. Ti se won so se wo ye bribi na se image no match bia background no be distracting ye wo ye na e wo se won so kwasesa background no. One best way obetimi ede asesa picture background ne se ube use Photoshop na wo de asesa e ba na sa na unya o quality no. But say unni Photoshop and say unni Photoshop you see remove.bg into your browser nebo remove.bg. I say no more quality now open no udu hasi no click on upload image. Now akofa image no. System no background no free ho. Inti obe click on download so I say. Now I click on preview. Natural folder kwa pese we save kotum na click save. Afe yambra back to GT title designer. Na de be mo no me kire image na de be mo sisi ano. Yen deleting free ho. Inti click so na delete. Say yakofa de ye ne background ne free ho na ba. Inti click image ne so. Na ko baby a wo download to ye no. Click so na click open. On say background no free ho. So oba resize no o click so back one na wa hwe edge no. Na wa drag edge no. Okay. Say no me yi Pastor Chris free ho no mo. So me delete no. Na me de mami aba be hye ho. Ti no be drag na fit wo space no pepe person ya open no. So be say even a go offset kra bia according to your design open bibi sa na obey ne sa. Okay? Into something like this. Say osha I say anono na no I sharp me kire picture na se no. On say too sharp. Into we say blend kakra. Right? Ti se be blend na wa sa wa click image ne so no. Na wa ko effect. Se uko effect na sa de we say feather no. Wa adjust feather na kakra. Okay. Na afi we y1 no. Y1 na se ha say no. Wa be drag aba we chi kakra like this. Wo de ba we chi no bon say picture no. Cut a crop picture no. But a crop no na a blur no. Because of sa feather we na we using it no. Afi mama nsesa ni din no. Se wo hwe layers ni mo a Pastor Chris no ubehu ha sei. On say pastor ni nie. Na Chris ni nie. Right? Se ka say ye click so ha say director. Image no aba beda soro. Inti eje say ya shift Pastor Chris no layers no akoda image ni top. Ansa na etimi aba beda eno ne so etimi click so na ye. Drag Chris no. Fabra image ni top. Okay? Neja ito ho. Na pastor ne so no drag fabeto Chris ni top. Neja ito ho. Say sin wetimi click so ha say. Good. Na ya edit it. Nti yan na say bia pastor solutions. Right? Men drag kakra na fe. Me mano embra ne chi kakra like this. Amen drag kakra. Okay. Now men drag we ni so bra say. Ma yen play na yen hwe. O pese wo hwe sane o de to screen so a ebe ya play button ni we. Me a play button so na hwe transition ni sane city. Say what realize ya image na yede be mu no ene rush hour na yede bae no animation bia inim animation nim ntiama no raw steady hwe me bobi me steady hwe. Okay, inti my animate no so why so obe clicking on the image no ye image ni dey first click image ni so na ko animations, right? Animation no my hwe zoom okay, ode my hwe zoom no play na hwe se ne be ye play ni click so and that all right for me inti my hwe zoom fade no zoom fade na hwe everything okay. Inti ya na wa check animations no me san check review na me hwa de. Inti me you see expand no I think say expand no okay mama for now. Right? Afi mama hwe se ne be. Okay, not bad. Afi aka rush no. Click rush on so. Na eno no me use zoom. Mama hwe. Me use zoom my hwe ade. Eno so nya bad. My hwe zoom fade no. Okay, mama use zoom fade no. Eno no fine. Afi sa shape ya wa hey. Obetumi asesa color no to any color bia ope. Eno obetumi so asesa shape no. Eye shape we mu bi, eye we mu bi. Ena me use say okle ebi ope we mu bi a okle ke so a na wa draw e wo ho. So ho, wo draw na wa send ye yema wani no. Na wa ye ne sa. Okay? Maybe this one yeah, like this. So ho. Na wa ye na afi wa man animation. They say na ye raw, ti me man animation bia bounce. So, no, so. And so be say, I'm hidden for it. Yeah, man, reviews and I had here. Okay, be say, Answer never to us no. Your premium preset lower third near David squeeze back be say and so I'll wait me a download and test answer be send a DM na ya the link no I'm on all the download the preset no kwansa and sana open up. Squeeze back we say editable until it makes a details na wa say na what the one kasa what the share which makes a color no the what the share the other so no changeable with me with the GT title designer no. Okay, and it's sounds so your titles. I mean lower text how do we brave or honma ubetimi downloading a free and preset no emu. Okay, I how do we brave or how do we brave ubetimi downloading. Into is it I say over join a community no. I mean your platform no and I say over DM and send you a direct link. Platform no obitechsolution.com obitechsolution.com. So oba so no I click login na wa say no login we say so and I say any of this login to subscribe we mu bia no I click so now they assign in so click so be direct to about say when create account that now I clicking on Google icon you so now what they I create account so login in we na say over back to home page now if you are signing up to any of the plans no either say basic and I say pro no. Okay, say open yearly we no monthly. We say no yearly no I click your say ebe hakoda yearly into the whole year no with the basic plan no this amount 300 Ghana cedis and then the pro plan no 500 Ghana cedis. Okay, pro no more features. Okay, now I redirect you to a page we be make payments now if you be a successful member to the community. Anything person you munchire mo bia no say o the 2 page ni so team no ebe boa ma wetimi enyemu entiase. Okay, and say o sign up we are no about community no pages ne be 3 I say no for free one no there winya videos no any links ne de download the documents no ho oba basic ne so ho so no obenye bi ho you see vMix 2018 no ha say easy worship or ha say and live production template no and so ha unya click so pe ebe download am straight away and I say oba pro plan mu so and so different things na ho no me dey basic no nyina pro ni mu and pro no dey nyama ne bi eka ho in the pro no obenya VB cable no na wa download the free ho and other stuff. Okay, so person we share videos o clicking on VOD pro now. Okay, VOD pro no o click so up it's not some pro member nti say you basic member obenya VOD basic. Okay, obenya basic videos after dey wa ha say no sana me din kan no timi say color no until you click so na wako home and then you go to color. Now I change it to color bia ope bia. Maybe red na here. Red in your best maybe where white and yellow. Now maybe when so okay. And you say okay. Into one kasa brown colors and idea we design color person you see no. Now where you see right. I mean drag pasta we ain't cut top kakra now we in some brother side. Say why edit here we are now we save. Over clicking on file and now clicking on save. But say we clicking on save see now e be replace media now I download you know. Okay, open this normal no I say But so open say we save as a new file. Now I save as okay, save as. Until you say be new squeeze. Now we're clicking on save. After we are you go back to vMix in ankasemu. Ko vMix na echo add input. Na echo title. Ewo GT title ni mo no. Now we're clicking on browse. Now I hwehwe baby a we save to ye no. Media na media to downloads. Into we downloads ho. Now I click also. Now I clicking on open. I want say aba. Until click also. Now I clicking on okay. Changes ni nyina ewo mu bi he. Nti ebi a we na mpese me yene say Pastor Obitech. So Obitech. I want say assassin called Obitech. Right. Until it means ye editing no ewo we. Right? Adeba come also share so say my uncle GT title designer name back. I say I dear me ye no me save e din no e bia ni din ewo ho inti Chris no and I rename media solutions no eba vMix ni mo a sene wo save din no ewo layers ni mo no sa na ebe save as the layer name so person osesan layer bi din a double click so necessary layer ni din inti we se me ne say Obitech so Obitech right inti sana be na o de asesan hesen bia din na wetumi akai say we say netie we say netie we are wait me clicking on save net me save ama okay after you back to vMix no you wait me AUC ewo vMix nim obe edit wo squeeze back no okay into nebusia sanity why you be share ewo next tutorial ni musa wonti biribi ase a na wa drop ewo community honomo na meyiwa no so won join community na wa join ewo obitechsolution.com obitechsolution.com. Now I subscribe to either the basic and I say the pro no over community ni more like this or click a community ubenya basic room and the pro mastermind no ube mu na with me I download the premium live production template no any or click so I know I download it any other link bia available bia no click so now I download the basic room ni so links so ha ube click so I download any link bia na available ewo ehonomo no nti ba sanity why say question bia kire wa adwena ha say obemua na what the actor has say okay